Wednesday. Hi.
Yeah. Hi.
Wow, it's nice to see you again, my dear.
Oh,
Wow, I can't hear you well, my dear.
yes.
Can you see me clearly, my dear?
No, teacher.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
How about now? Can you see me, my dear?
Yes. Right.
Yes, wow. So happy Wednesday, my dear. Welcome back to my class.
Uh,
How are you today, my dear?
I'm fine, teacher.
Wow. Did you had a good night's sleep?
You know, I
Why?
from yesterday. I have to go to school, teacher.
Oh no. But why, my dear?
Ah, I I have to study at school.
I see. So today do you have a class at school?
Yes. Today I
Mm.
to class, teacher.
Oh wow. But at what time, my dear?
At 10 a.m. and at 4 p.m.
4 p.m. I see. So what did you learn, my dear?
Oh, I don't know history. Uh,
History?
history of
American?
yes.
Why do you need to study the history of American, my dear?
It, because my major is English literature and history. And language.
I see. So he is a language teacher and a history teacher?
Yes.
Okay. But I think you are not required to study their history.
Hmm. Teacher, can
I think you are not required to study their history. Do you think?
I don't like history because so difficult. Teacher.
It's so difficult.
Yes.
I see. And you need to memorize the events that happened in the past. You need to remember everything, right?
Yes. Right.
But what's your favorite subject, Mizir?
No, my favorite is mm, grammar and TOEIC.
Wow, grammar and TOEIC?
Yes.
I see. Like how to construct proper grammar sentences?
Because I think it's quite basic.
Wow, I like the confidence idea. Yeah, it's basic. I see. Wow, that's good, dear. So far, what did you learn in your TOEIC language or in preparation for your TOEIC examination?
I have to have TOEIC before graduate teacher.
I see. So it is one of your requirements to pass the TOEIC exam before
Yeah.
you graduate.
Yes, teacher.
I see. But well, I think you can pass the TOEIC exam. You
Mm,
need to describe the picture, right, in the TOEIC exam.
no. My TOEIC. I planning to do exam TOEIC
Uh-huh.
2. reading and listening. So
I see. Listening and
reading.
so you need to improve your skills in reading and listening skills.
Yes, teacher.
Writing. Do you have a good penmanship, my dear?
I have to I have to have seven hundred.
700?
Yes,
700
yes,
points? Score?
yes. Score 700 score.
I see. So if you got 700 score, you will be an advanced student.
Yes, I
Mm,
yeah. I have to.
I see. You need to pass it.
Uh, I today play my professional star student uh in English language major have to do it TOEIC exam
Mm-hmm.
3
Mm-hmm.
uh 3 wait
Three.
play with me
Okay.
3 times
Three times?
that I have
Wow.
3 times.
Oh, you have to listen it again for three times?
Yes,
I see. So you need to improve your listening skill.
yeah, listening and reading. I have to study new words and grammar. Yes,
Mm-hmm. So that you will use that grammar in, you will use that vocabulary to describe the picture
yes,
because I think you will be given a picture and then you need to describe it and you need to use many vocabularies as possible.
that is a same.
I see. Do you have an example?
Yes, yes. Maybe. I just have a reading.
Reading reading test.
Yes,
I see. So you need to read Orange by Kitchen 2/5 star. I see. So you will read a short passage and then you need to answer the question after that.
yes. I have to read the paragraph.
Uh-huh.
And I have to choose. I have to choose answer.
Mhm. Okay, do you know, my dear, that there's a technique in your reading skill? So first, before reading the paragraph, first you need to read the questions. You need to read the questions and the choices, and after that, you need to read the passage or the paragraph. Because,
Uh,
for example, you will read the passage first and then you will read the question. You will not remember what you've read. But if you will read first the question, you will know what information you should look for. Have you tried that technique, my dear?
yes. Mm,
Reading first the question and then the passage after that?
I uh, I don't know. I I feel I asked more. for some quick, but I after I
Hmm? I can't hear you well, my dear.
yes, right.
Okay, I can hear you now. Can you say it one more time?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
I,
okay.
yes, my dear, I can hear you now. Okay, can
Uh,
you say it one more time?
yes, I am wondering. I am wondering between IL and TOEIC because I think TOEIC I have to choose TOEIC for skill
Mhm.
or IELTS teacher.
I see. But how many skills do you need to achieve or you need to improve in IELTS exam, my dear? Four skills, right?
Yes, when I graduate, I have to four skill, but now I can choose skill teacher.
I see. So, what skill would you like to improve, my dear?
Yes, but
You need to improve. Okay. So you chose listening skill and writing skill.
yes,
How about speaking skill and your reading skill? I think you are good at reading, and at the same time, you are good at speaking, Miss Year.
I
If
am
you will choose that skills, I think
now I don't know because I am focused on listening and speaking.
listening and speaking.
Yes, now I am focused on.
I see. Listening and speaking. Wow. So, in your listening skill, you need to listen to an audio.
Yes, only
And
in this
okay,
I have to
okay, you need to listen to an audio, and then you need to answer the question after that.
after I
After
think.
listening to the audio.
Oh, now I want to improve communicate. Then I will improve other skill.
I see. So, you want to improve your speaking skill for now.
Yes.
I see. But don't worry, my dear. I think from the first time that I've had a class with you, I can see that you've improved a lot. Because before, I've noticed that when you were talking, you tend to think first, but now you are just speaking naturally. It's like you are used to speaking English.
Yeah.
Can you see your improvement, my dear?
I don't know.
Why, my dear?
Uh, because because now I don't have much time teacher.
I see. Because you don't have enough time to think
Yes.
of the vocabulary words.
Yes. I have to study Korean language teacher.
I see you have to study Korean language. You need to study history,
Yes.
literature, right? You need to study literature.
Yes. Literature.
Mm.
Yeah. So this morning I confused the Korean and English.
So this morning you studied Korean language, right? So
Yes.
today, Right at this moment, you are studying English.
Yes.
So you are confused sometimes?
Oh, this morning when I say with my professor, I say, before I say by Korean, then I say by English. I I computer. I am computer.
Ah, I see. You were confused.
Yes.
For example, you need to say yes, but you are learning Korean language, so instead of saying nah, you said yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, because sometimes there were times where you said nah instead of yes. Nah, nah. It's okay, my dear. Actually, learning Vietnamese language is already hard. So, learning Korean language and English language at the same time is harder. So, you did well, my dear. You are doing a great job. And do you know, my dear, I can't do that. I can't learn two language at the same time. But because you are you, you can do it.
Maybe
Just
maybe not.
enjoy. And my dear, do you know the secret for learning a new language is to enjoy it?
Oh,
Yes, my dear, you need to study Korean and English, and you need to enjoy it while you are studying, my dear, because if you are enjoying, that means you will be happy, and it's like you are acting naturally. You are just studying and you are learning, but in an enjoyable way. And it's fun. Learning is fun. Right? Do you agree? Learning is fun.
oh.
Do you agree, my dear? Learning is fun.
Hmm. No, teacher.
Oh, yes. Yeah. Well, yes, I agree with you. Learning is not fun, but it depends on whom you are talking to, right?
Yes, teacher.
So, my dear, we need to continue our lesson in Unit 8.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, we have here two pictures. So, my dear, what can you see in the left picture?
The picture.
Mhm.
Hmm. Uh, teacher. The people are taking work
Mhm.
and taking a walk.
Mhm. The
No.
people are taking a walk.
Yes.
Where, my dear?
In the park.
In the.
Park. Right, teacher.
Oh, wow. Yes, my dear. So they are.
They are family.
Mhm. Okay. So they are walking at the park. And do you think, my dear, are they enjoying their time?
And yes, and they are going camping,
Mm-hmm.
and riding bicycle.
Mm, I see. But, my dear, have you ever went to a park before?
Mm.
Have you ever visited a park before? Like for example, when you were a child, you went to park with your mother and father or with your family?
Oh, yes.
I see. When was the last time that you went to a park, my dear?
Oh, I think after finish work and in the afternoon or the weekend.
I see. But when was the last time, my dear?
Last time
Uh-huh.
I
When was the last time that you went to a park?
mm, along so long.
Like 5 years ago?
No, 2 year, 2 year ago.
I see. With who, my dear?
My friends.
Wow, with your friends.
Yes.
Okay, so what do you think is the vocabulary word, Miss Ear?
Mm, on I think park.
Yes. Park, very good. So, my dear me, can you please make a sentence using the vocabulary word park?
Yes. I I like to walk in the park in the evening. Uh, every morning.
Every morning, I like to take a walk in the park every morning.
Yes.
Yes, very good, my dear. Or you can add with my friends or with my families. I like to take a walk in the park every morning with my friends so that your answer will be longer and more complete.
Yes. Well, will good for the health.
Yes, it's
Yes.
good for IELTS.
No, health, health.
I see it's good for your health. Yes, because you know, my dear, walking in a park is an exercise. We need to exercise, Miss dear. Do you agree with me?
No, because every day I have to go to school on foot teacher.
Oh no. But how long will it take you to go to your school, Miss dear? How many walk? How many minutes?
5 minutes.
Mm. So for 5 minutes, you need to walk from your home to your school.
Yes, teacher.
I see. Isn't it uh tiring, my dear? Because when you go home, you need also to take a walk. Right? Isn't it tiring?
Mm, no, out. When when I wake up so late, I will go to a school bicycle.
I see. But if you are not late, you will go there on foot. If you are not late, you will go there on foot.
On foot. If I have a time, uh, I wake up early. I will go on foot
I see. But today, my dear, what time did you wake up today?
at 10 a.m.
I see, 10 a.m. And how about your sleep? What time did you sleep tonight? Last
Uh,
night?
last night I at 3 a.m. teacher.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I see. That is why you're still sleepy. Right now you're sleepy, right?
Because yesterday I have to do a report.
Report
Yes,
for report for what, my dear?
for my friends, for other people. I do report. They will pay money for me.
Wow. It's your friend's report, my dear.
Yes, I
What kind of report, my dear? Report for
uh reporter. Yeah, in internship report.
transcript report?
Intern.
I see. Internship report.
Yes, teacher.
I see. Wow. But I think y- the reason why you are doing their internship report is because you are smarter than them. Do you agree with me? You are smarter? Hmm.
No, because before I I had I had made a report. So,
Mm-hmm.
and I received I received a high score. So now I receive repair report teacher.
Wow, that's good, my dear. So you've got a high score for your internship report before?
Yes, teacher.
I see. But what did you do, my dear? Why did you get a high score?
Oh, I don't know. I just use ChatGPT. I
An AI.
I just prepare a form on work on wood.
I see. And I think ChatGPT will generate an essay for you.
Yes, teacher. Now
Oh.
I have to I have to hmm, add add this and add this detail.
Mhm. Yes. But how about for your mm, health, my dear? You are doing their internship report, but you slept for only 7 hours or 6 hours at most. You need to think of your health.
Hmm. I
Maybe
don't know.
you can do the internship report in the afternoon when you are free or when you have time.
After finish work, teacher.
I see. So you don't have time to do that. So the only time for you to make the internship report is after your work.
That now the so I have to sleep so late, teacher.
I see. But do you want to take a nap after our class?
No. Now to I have to study all day, all day.
All day?
Yes,
Oh, wow. You're so hardworking and studious, Miss here.
because yesterday my restaurant have many customers, so I have to come home so late, teacher. At
I see.
1 p.m.
Oh, wow. 1 a.m. So it's a bit late.
teacher.
And what time did you eat your dinner, my dear?
Ah, I ate in the at my restaurant, teacher.
What time, my dear? What time did you eat your
Uh,
dinner last night?
11 p.m.
Oh no, it's so late.
Teacher, so late.
Oh, I see. But it's okay, Miss Ear. Your hard work, your dedication, your perseverance, and your hard work will pay off soon. Just keep on doing your best. Okay. What?
No,
Can you say it? Okay, so what can you see in the next picture, Miss Ear?
the next picture, two children, two child. I'm going to school.
Uh-huh. I- What are they doing, Miss Ear?
They are going to school on foot.
Uh-huh. Yes. But Miss Ear, are they happy?
So happy.
Oh yes. Do you know the the song "Today is the day, it's the first day of school"? So many. Do you know that nursery song, my dear?
No, no, teacher, I don't know.
Okay, never mind, my dear. But what do you think is the vocabulary word, my dear?
I think school. Teacher.
Yes. Wow. Very good. School. Okay, so my dear, can you please make a sentence using the vocabulary word school?
Um. mm, Oh, every day I have to school. I have to go to 9 a.m.
Every night?
every day. Every day
Ah, every day you need to go to school at
at
9 p.m.?
9 a.m.
I see, at 9 a.m. Wow, it's so early, my dear.
Early in college, teacher.
But you know, my dear, when I was in college, we need to go to school at 6:30 a.m.
Mm, no.
or 7. When I was in high school, my dear, when I was in college, I
Ah,
we need to go to school at 6:30 a.m. and because the class will start at 7 a.m.
yeah, right. High school, we have to at the 6 a.m. or half past.
Half past 6?
Yeah, half past 6. Sorry, teacher.
Oh, wow. So it's early. Oh,
I can wake up early, teacher.
wow. It's your talent, my dear. Waking up early in the morning. But, my dear, how's your coffee shop about your milk tea?
Ah, this weekend, teacher.
Ah, last weekend or this weekend?
This weekend, right?
I see. I thought you will sell your milk tea this Wednesday, I think.
Uh, I think uh Saturday
Mm-hmm.
or Friday.
I see. So Friday.
Yes, I have to take a photo of milk tea, teacher.
I see. So you still need to do a lot of work. That's why you're still busy with something else. You are
Mm,
still busy with something else.
no, I know, I just take photo. Finish, teacher, finish.
Mm-hmm. Nice, my dear. But how about your milk tea, the flavor? Are they good?
So,
Did you perfect?
yeah, uh, to today is
Uh-huh. Oh, wow. So you've mastered or you've perfect the taste of your milk tea?
no. Yesterday I tried peach tea, but it's so quite sweet, teacher. Quite sweet.
I see. So did you try it again today?
Yes, teacher.
I see. So how's the taste of it, my dear?
Yes, teacher.
How's the taste of your peach tea today?
No, I don't want to try. I don't want
Why?
because
I think
I eat so much. I need.
so, my dear, because you drank too much milk tea, I think you need to pee every hour or every 20 minutes or 10 minutes
No,
because
I
you drank too much liquid in your body.
no. Oh, teacher. If I make milk tea, I have to. I spend I spend uh, 2 hours. 2 hours.
I see. So you spent 2 hours in making your milk tea and you are drinking milk tea. Wow, it's okay, my dear. Yeah. But first, just like what I've told you, you need to drink water first before drinking milk tea.
Yes, teacher. So,
But, uh-huh.
so many. Tomorrow I still try lychee tea.
I see. So how's the taste of it, my dear?
I don't know. Tomorrow I will try.
Again?
Mm, we maybe delicious or not.
I see. So, my dear, how about for your breakfast? You are not eating your breakfast, right?
Yes, teacher.
But you need to eat snacks in the afternoon.
In the afternoon.
You need to eat snacks.
But teacher, now in Korea so cold.
Ah, it's so cold in Korea right now.
That's yesterday have snow, teacher.
Ah, there's snow in Korea right now.
Tomorrow, yesterday had snow,
Wow, in the area where you live.
snow, windy and rainy, teacher.
That's why you keep on shivering,
No, no, no.
shivering like this one with you.
Uh,
Mhm. That's why you keep on shivering, my dear.
mm,
Do you know shivering?
shivering.
Shivering. Shining, shivering. No, it's shimmering. Shivering, my dear. Shivering. This one, my dear. I'm going to type it in the chat box. The shivering, shining, shivering, splendid. This one. That's why you keep on shivering.
The teacher, teacher.
Mhm. That is why you keep on shivering, my dear.
Mm, I don't know, teacher.
Do you know shivering?
No, I don't know, teacher. You may you type for me. Type.
I see the meaning.
Yes.
I see shivering meaning, my dear, shaking light slightly and uncontrollably as a result of being cold.
Ah. Mm.
Like this. I'm so cold. Like that, my dear.
Oh, yes, teacher.
Oh, okay. So you are shivering because it's snowing right now in Korea, my dear.
Yes, teacher.
So
And now is spring. Spring. I think will warm in the
I oh, it will be warm in the
yes,
next few days.
yes, teacher.
Oh, I see. So you will not be cold anymore. And you will be like Elsa. You will sing, "The cold never bothered me anyway." And, oh, speaking of Elsa, my dear, did you watch Frozen?
Frozen?
Mm-hmm.
No, I
I see.
I I don't have enough time.
I see. It's okay, my dear. If you have free time, maybe you can watch it.
Mm, maybe what is it?
Okay, so can you please tell me, my dear, what can you see in the next picture?
No speak. I think supermarket.
Mm-hmm. Supermarket. So what are they doing, my dear?
They are buying
Hmm?
they are buying things or machine
Or?
and food or food
Mhm.
vegetable
Okay, can you say it one more time? Is dear me? Vegetable.
vegetable
Very good. And
vegetable and they are waiting to pay a bill.
I see. They are waiting to pay their bill.
That's it.
I see. Okay, but my dear, do you like shopping?
Yes, I like money teacher.
So you like shopping, but the problem is the money. Okay, but my dear, what do you think is the vocabulary word?
I think supermarket.
I see supermarket. Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Wow, supermarket. Very good.
Supermarket.
Supermarket. Okay, what do you like, my dear? Which one do you like? Supermarket or mall? Oh, no. Grocery store.
Or market teacher.
Mm-hmm.
I like supermarket or teacher.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Supermarket. I like supermarket.
Why, my dear?
I think in the supermarket have many, and I have many choice. Having many choose.
You have many choices. You have many choices, my dear.
Yes, teacher.
Oh, I see. But, my dear, when you buy something at a supermarket, which way do you turn, my dear? For example, you will go to the entrance. Which way do you usually go? To the right side or to the left side?
Oh, right side. Uh,
Because do you know, my dear, I think when you buy something at the supermarket, you need to turn right. I don't know if we have the same supermarket, but if you will turn right, you will see different kind of foods.
oh, yes.
Okay. So, my dear, can you please make a sentence using the vocabulary word supermarket?
Oh, I often go to supermarket with my family. On weekend.
I see. I often go to the supermarket with my family on weekends. How about weekdays, my dear? Don't you want to go to the supermarket with your family on weekdays?
Mm, I on the weekday. No, I just work it on weekend, teacher,
Why, my dear?
because I will buy enough food for a week.
For a week. That is the reason why you want to go to the supermarket on weekends. Okay, how about the next, my dear? Next picture.
Yeah, I think post office.
Can you please can you please describe the picture first, my dear? What can you see in the picture? There are two people. Can you give me as many as details as you can, my dear?
Uh, in the post office, we will send uh, we send email
Mm-hmm.
or post letter for
Okay.
packet. Teacher.
Packet.
Packet. Packet.
Can you type in the chat box, my dear?
Is, um, and, uh, and we can receive a packet from post office.
I see. Okay. Post office. All right, my dear. So, can you please make a sentence using the vocabulary word post office?
Mm, wait a second. Ah, I reserve I reserve a packet from our from post office yesterday.
I see. Wow. Very good, my dear. All right. So, next picture. Wow. Oh, it's a great design, my dear. Look, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's it.
maybe you can do the same, my dear. When you build your own coffee shop, maybe you can use this design or you can create your own design.
So beautiful, teacher.
Yes, my dear. Cafe.
Coffee shop,
Uh-huh.
cafe.
Uh-huh. It's a cafe and a coffee shop. Okay, so my dear, can you please describe what can you see in the shop? The details that you can see? For example, what can you see in the coffee shop, my dear? the shop? Can you see the flower? Can you see coffee?
Mm,
Can you please explain, my dear? Or can you please give me as many as details as you can?
oh, this picture, teacher. Sorry, teacher.
Yes, my dear. It's okay, my dear.
Oh, coffee, yeah, coffee shop and trang trí là gì?
Coffee shop.
Picture.
Mm-hmm.
Decorate, right?
Ah, okay, decorate. Very good. And do you like the decoration, my dear?
Decorate and here is so beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it's so beautiful. All right, so can you please make a sentence using the vocabulary word coffee shop, my dear?
The coffee shop. I think teacher. And here just buy just sell coffee, teacher, right?
Uh-huh. Can you say it one more time, my dear?
And here just buy coffee, just
I
sell
uh-huh.
sell.
I think coffee shop offers milk tea as well, my dear. They offer milk tea and I think uh smoothie or maybe slice of cake. I'm not sure. Maybe they offer sweets as well, Miss dear. Not just coffee. But the main highlight of that shop is their coffee because it's a coffee shop. Right?
Do you know Americano?
America. Ah, yes, it's a flavor of coffee, right? Or milk tea? Americano?
Yeah. Water, ice, and coffee. Black coffee.
And I think it's bitter.
Yes, bitter. But in Korea, people often drink it. So like
I see. They like drinking
Korean
Amer.
language people.
Oh, wow. So Korean people loves to drink Americano.
Americano.
Right? Americano?
No. I don't like. It's so bitter.
I see, but they like to drink coffee, my dear.
No, I don't like coffee. Before I had to I did I used to do I used to do in coffee shop, but I don't like coffee either.
I see. Can you say it one more time, my dear? I used to
Ah,
go.
I do I used to do at the coffee shop, but I like coffee either.
I see. You used to went to a coffee shop, but you are not drinking coffee.
Yeah, teacher.
So what were you doing inside the coffee shop, my dear, if you weren't drinking coffee?
Oh, coffee. I think where if we drink coffee every day, so not good for health, right?
But my dear, I'm drinking coffee every day. It's my oxygen.
My my head is so okay, teacher.
Mhm. I will have an head. I will have a headache if I can't drink.
And my head will
I need
happen.
caffeine. Can you say it one more time, is here?
I I think I know my doctor. I know the doctor says that uh uh if you drink coffee every day,
Uh-huh.
it not for good for the health. The health.
I see. But my dear, it's my vitamins.
No,
But did you eat your lunch today, my dear?
yes, I ate lunch,
Wow,
but
that's good.
I just eat egg egg egg
Egg.
right egg.
I see. You ate egg and that's your lunch?
Yes, teacher. Because I don't know to cook.
I see. Maybe you can buy foods at outside, my dear. If you don't know how to cook, then you can buy your food outside.
Mm. Uh,
If you don't know how to cook food, maybe you can buy outside. But my dear, do you know, if I was there, if if I am beside you right now, I will cook something for you. I will cook something for you. What do you want to eat, my dear?
now,
Uh-huh. What do you want to eat now?
mm, I don't know now. I don't want to eat
Why, my dear? I thought you're still hungry.
now. Now I just want to sleep, teacher. But after finish class, I have to do study, teacher.
I see. Oh no. It's okay, my dear. You can maybe you can sleep.
No,
Hmm. You can sleep this night or tonight earlier than your usual sleep.
I scare. Sorry, dear. I ask her. I will. I will go come home so late, teacher.
I see. Okay, but it's okay, my dear. Just eat your lunch. Don't forget to eat your lunch, your dinner. Don't forget to drink plenty of water. You need to take a rest. Give yourself a break. That's the most important, my dear. Give yourself, give yourself a break.
Right?
Mhm.
Hmm. Ah,
Okay.
but if I don't don't work, I I I will have no money, teacher.
Yes, but my dear, uh, 5 minutes break will not cost you anything. Just give yourself a little break. Maybe you can take a nap for 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
10 minutes. No, but after after finish the work, I uh I come home, but I just sit down
Uh-huh.
and watch a TikTok.
Nah. Okay. So that is the reason why, my dear, you need to sleep than using your phone. That's why that's what I'm talking about of giving yourself a break. Give yourself a break, meaning don't use your phone too much.
Mm,
Okay? Okay, my dear?
yeah, teacher.
All right. So you did well today, my dear me. You were able to describe the pictures and you were able to express your thoughts, ideas, and opinions. And, my dear, thank you so much. And you need to enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye, my dear me. Don't forget to drink water before milk tea, okay?
Goodbye, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Yes, goodbye, my dear. Bye bye. You need to take a nap.
Bye,
Goodbye.
teacher.